Hello there, I'm Darshan. I'm one of the makers of With a View. We have created this product to share our love for travel with you. We think that the world is a huge place. Mm-mm, we don't think that. That's actually a fact. But it's also a fact that we keep traveling to the same 15 places. And frankly, we want to change that. So let me show you how we are going to do that. So when you install our product tab with a view, either from Chrome or from Microsoft Edge, you're going to see this. So if you like what you see, you can click on the like button here, or you can also add it to your list if you wish to travel there someday. What are the other things that you can do? So you can also share this with your friends by copying the link or on any of your favorite social media applications. You can find more information about this place. So this is in Switzerland. You can take a virtual tour. You can also find out if you need a visa to get to this place. And we also have a one-click flight integration. If you click on that, it's going to show you your nearest airport and the way that you get to this place. Now, there are more things that we have added here. We have an integrated search option and Ask AI option. So you can select your favorite search engine. I've selected Google over here. Let's see how this works. How to launch on product hunt. So if I press the enter button over here, it is going to give me a Google search. But if I want to see this on AI, I can either select any of the different co-pilots from here like Google Gemini, ChatGPT, Microsoft Copilot, or even Grok. But for now, I'm going to select ChatGPT. So let me ask this to ChatGPT. So you can see that this has already opened a new chat window with ChatGPT, and you can just click enter to ask your question here. Let's go back. So all of this is great, but this is not my favorite feature. My favorite feature is something that we call as focus mode. I use this mode when I'm in a noisy environment or I just want to get something done, like recording this video or designing something. So it uses this classic 25 minutes Pomodoro timer technique. When I start the Pomodoro timer here, I can also select a sound. So I will switch it on. Right now it's into ambient mode, but I can also select a different track, for example, chill. But not everybody is a chill guy. So you can also select a different track like flute. And if you go back to ambient, you can customize your own sound. For example, I really like listening to the sounds of bird chirping when I'm working. So I always keep that on. And you can also change the visuals here. If this blur mode gets too boring for you, you can click on the image mode and you would see a image. So again, you're discovering a new place. Or you can also go in a video mode to have a soothing video being played in the background. Now let's stop the focusing mode and go back to our regular mode. There are a few other features here that I just want to give you a quick overview of. So things like customizing this layout to see your most visited sites as well. And when you have this, you can also add your own shortcut. Or if you want to see your bookmarks, you can enable the bookmarks bar. But I usually keep it off to keep the view clean. Now we also have different language modes for those who are not native English speakers. So let me try and switch this to German. There you go. Guten Abend, Darshan. Now that's as far as my German skills go. So I'm going to switch it back to English. There you go. This is tab with a view. Every time you open a new tab, you're going to discover a new place. I hope you enjoy using Tab with a View. And if you have any feedback, please send it our way. We won't bite. I promise you that. All right. See ya.